Day 4 of opening up beauty advent calendars. Day 3 was really good, so let's see if this one's great too. We're going to start off with makeup like we always do. Here is day 4. So we got the blush yesterday, but today we got the contour. I honestly cannot wait to try these out. They look really good. So far, so good. Okay, we're moving on to the Beauty Blast. So I think it is day 6 and 7 today. So we've got them. Okay, let's open them up. Yeah, we got a eyeliner again. Oh, that actually looks really good though. And day 7, this one's kind of a weird shape. We got a lippy. This one's kind of like a reddy brown. That's actually a really cool shade. It is now time for Sports Girl. Day 4 looks really, day 4 actually looks really good, and it's nearly the biggest one. Oh my gosh, it's really heavy. Let's see. I have been wanting to try this out. Go to some of my older videos. I've been wanting to try this out for the longest time ever. This is the cookie dough sleeping mask, or hydrating mask, sorry. Apparently this is a dupe for the Laneige, and I don't support Laneige, so hopefully this is. Okay, next up is the Sephora advent calendar. Okay, day number 7 here. This is one my cat already jumped on, so I don't mind that it's like kind of already opened. Ooh, okay. We got the Sephora, I think this is like a mirror. Honestly, it kind of looks bigger in some other people's videos, but it's got a peel on it. Okay, not too bad. This is probably cute to keep in a purse. Number 8. Ooh. Okay, we got the Sephora Cotton Flower Creamy Body Wash. I actually can't wait to try this out. This looks really cool. Okay, and of course, last but not least, our favourite Charlotte Tilbury. So today we're opening up this one for day number 4. Okay, before we open it, any last guess? Oh, big box for a smaller one. Okey-dokey. What is this? Glow Wonder Beauty Glow Primer. Okay, this isn't bad. Oh, it's kind of shimmery. Can't wait to try that. It smells like what's that brand? It smells like Lust Minerals primer. So we'll test that out. Here is everything we got today. Not too bad. See you guys on Friday for day 5.